today's video, we're going to cover how to create a standalone shift and add tasks to it. You're going to start in the Scheduler tool. That's the option at the top in your left-hand navigation menu. There are two ways to start a shift in ShiftCare. You can either locate the day and the staff member that you want to start your shift for in the schedule itself and click on that square, or you can click the Add Shift button in the top right corner of the screen. No matter how you choose to start your shift, it will always open the Shift Settings tray. Here, you'll start at the very top by adding the client name. Doing this will auto-populate the price book and the address that are the defaults on the client's profile. These can be changed at this time, though, for this shift if you need to. You can select a shift type. These can be customized in your account settings section. You can add allowances on the shift, things like expenses or mileage. And then we will scroll down to the time and location settings, where we'll set the time details for the shift. So we can adjust the address if we need to, and we can adjust the time window for the shift duration. In our case, let's use a standard 9 to 5. Then we can scroll down and choose the staff member for this shift in the carer section. And then we can check off the Notify Carer box if we want this staff member to receive an email that they're getting a new shift. At the very bottom here, you can add instructions for the shift or some valuable details about this shift. These will show up in the mobile app and instruct the staff member on what the shift is about. Now to add tasks to the shift. To do this, you'll go to the Advanced Edit section of this shift. And on the right side of the screen, you'll see Tasks. This is where you can add individual tasks, one by one, to create a task list that will show up in the mobile app on this shift. If there is an important task that you need your staff to perform on this shift, you can make tasks mandatory. What this does is that the staff member will not be able to clock out of their shift unless this mandatory task is crossed off the list. Once you're finished with the tasks, you can click Save. You've now created the shift and added it to the client and staff's schedule. The staff can now access this shift and see the details of it in their mobile app.